Hey, so we got finally the 500 subscriber giveaway going on. I know we've been teasing it for a few weeks, but ready to go now. This is it before. It is the Nathan 4071 ferro rod, olive wood handles, 4 inches long, 3/8 inch in diameter, and the Corona striker slash knife sharpener with its little protective cap. Anyway, these are awesome to use in the field, and they make great strikers too. The bank line cord on there, so you have enough reach to where it doesn't, catch at the end and go boom, and you kind of shock and maybe accidentally put out your sparks. Try to use paracord, but even taking out the strands, the middle strands of the paracord, just getting it through that Corona little loop there was just such a pain. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to use the bank line. Still good. So what you need to do, oh yeah, unused, of course. So with both of them, so what you need to do is, of course, be a subscriber of the channel, like the video. You know what, if you could share it, that'd be awesome, because once I hit 1,000, I don't know, I'm probably gonna do something crazy for a giveaway. So anyway, besides that, besides the like and the subscribe, possible share down below. Also, if you could post not only I'm in, but who's your favorite craftsman that makes stuff. Could be a ferro rod, could be knife, could be, I don't know, tarps, canvas tarps, backpacks, I don't know, hats. Just they don't have to be outdoors. What is your favorite custom maker of products? So put I'm in and your favorite maker, what they make that you like, down below. And 1 week, 7 days, that's right, I will choose a winner at random. So anyway, good luck everybody, and see you soon with more content. Oh yeah, also go check out that Instagram and the Facebook pages, because I do other giveaways that are unique to those pages over there. So until next time.